Hello and welcome back to the Beautiful Things channel. Today is something completely different because I have never done a video like this before. I was sent an email a couple of weeks ago by a gentleman called Antonio, who is a fellow YouTuber and has a channel, Antoniomakes. I will link it down below. And I went to have a little look at his site because he wanted to send me some happy mail. And I have never had happy mail before, and who was I to say no to a box full of goodies? So the happy mail has arrived. I haven't opened it. I've literally just cut the tape free and I'm going to see what's inside. So let's go. So first things first, a little card. I suspect handmade. Yes. Hello friend. Dear Claire, I hope you and the kids will enjoy these goodies. Oh, don't spoil the children. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. It means a lot to me. Thanks, Antonio. Lovely little card. You can see it's very pretty, all hand stamped. And then it smells delicious. Now Antonio does a lot of toiletries and candles and smellies, as well as food and other crafty projects. So I suspect by the smell of this package, it's probably got some smellies in here. Pretty little rosette. You could use that as a little present topper. Ooh, a lovely little box. How does one get into that? Ah. Wow, there's loads of things in here. Ooh. Birds of Paradise, Eau de Toilette. Lovely M&S Assam tea and a Magnolia guest soap. Oh, cute. Oh, there's lots of these scattered in the box. These lovely little paper clips, all handmade, look. Little cupcake. I'll do a little close-up of them in a minute. There's another box. Ah, these are really useful actually. Got some little tea lights, and I've got a class that I'm doing at the weekend that involves setting fire to things using tea lights. So I was going to have to buy some of these. So thank you, Antonio. Not only will it be fun setting fire to fabric, but it's going to smell nice in the studio too. A sugar cranberry shower gel. And oh, these are nice. These are those EOS egg lip balms. Thank you. There's more. Little Miss Mac will love that. Mickey and Minnie 90s body wash. Oh, that's really cute. A Mickey and Minnie bubble bath. That's lovely. Oh, 3 more cards. 4 more cards. Oh, lovely. So he sent me some blank cards that I can then send to other people. So there's a lovely Christmas card. Oh, that's lovely. Life is a beautiful ride, the hot air balloon. That's really pretty. And another hot air balloon one. Oh, that's too cute. Wishing you cupcakes and naps with all these little sleepy sloths. I'm a sucker for a sloth. Oh, I feel all spoiled. Thank you, Antonio. Some lovely little gifts. I look forward to using these and sharing them with Little Miss Mac too. So go and check out Antonio's channel and go and see what he has to offer. I will link it down below in the description. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you all again soon.